Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois. And today I want to give you a look at the 2021 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 29TE. This unit is a bunkhouse. It has one slide. Right here is one of your outdoor storage areas. It is lighted. The other one is on the other side, which I'll show you in a second. But before we get to that, you do have two entries. So this entry here leads into a bathroom, and this entry here leads into your main living space. You do have outdoor entertainment, so you've got TV mount, two outdoor speakers, and cable and satellite hookups. And just above that, you have a large lighted and power awning. It does have the blue LEDs in it. Over here is your outdoor kitchen. So as you can see, you've got some storage space, a nice large driven refrigerator. What's great about this refrigerator is it's not just a refrigerator. A lot of times when you get a mini fridge, you get a tiny little compartment for the freezer, but this side is actually the freezer and this is the refrigerator. So you got plenty of room here. Next to that, you've got a single basin sink, contour ice maker. Below that, you've got a 2-burner Suburban stovetop. This will roll in. You just pull this little pin up, not too far, and it just slides right in. Over here, same concept, slides right in. It's just a drawer. Got a leash latch just below that. Back here, you've got your storage rack, along with a spare tire. And over here is that second outdoor storage I was talking about. Nice, large, deep storage compartment. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other side to take a look inside. All right, so as I mentioned, this unit does have one slide. This is it. You do have the U-shaped dinette, cafe style dinette. It does have the ultra deep drawers that extend to the back of the dinette. In order to get them to stay shut, as you can see, I'm pulling on them, they're not opening. You lift up and pull out. Same concept going back in. And you do have two of those drawers. There's also a storage compartment underneath the middle seat. Also on the slide is a jackknife sofa. So all you do is lift up, pull out. Opposite your slide is your kitchen. You've got a large single basin apron front sink. With this apron front sink, it does have a cover here, and it also has a pull down sprayer and soap dispenser. Over here, you've got a 3-burner Greystone stovetop and oven. Good sized oven there. This stove does have a cover for it. It is a glass cover. So there is now a warning on these to please raise the glass before cooking on the burners. Behind that, you have a cutting board that doubles as a backsplash. It is just magnetized. Just magnetizes back to the wall. Of course, you got your range hood. But above that, you've got a contour microwave. Over here, you've got a large Canon refrigerator. With this refrigerator, it will run off of 12 volt. So if you want your refrigerator to keep your food cold as you're driving down the road, you're able to do that. I've got it off right now. Just a simple tap of that button will turn it on. And then you hold it for 10 seconds to turn it off. And then it has a nice large freezer as well. Over here, you've got a huge pantry. And here is where your entertainment center is. So there's your TV mount. Up above that, you've got cable and satellite hookups. And it is prepped for the one control hotspot for Wi-Fi. Back here is your bathroom. There's that second entry. You do have a corner vanity and medicine cabinet. I apparently did not turn the light on in here. Most of your lights are push button, so I don't know if you can see this, but there is a little button here You just simply push it in. Same concept to turn it off. You got a toilet, of course, and a nice large corner shower. It does have a skylight overhead, which offers a little more headroom. So with the second entry in your bathroom, it's great for kids or guests. You don't want them tracking all the way through the camper. They can walk right through this entry. Now there are two doors that lead into the bedroom. You've got this door, or back here, we're gonna go through this door. Of course, you got your bed. You do have some storage underneath the bed. There are two mirrored closets on each side of the bed, along with USB ports and outlets. So if you need to charge your phone, or you've got medical equipment like a CPAP mask that you have to have at night right beside the bed, you have the ability to plug it in right there. There are also two reading lights up here. They are push button, same with the light above the bed. And then of course you do have the storage up above the bed. It is side open cabinets, which is great. You don't have to hold the cabinet open while you're loading or unloading it. And the final room back here is the bunk room. Does have a separate door, so if your kids are like mine and like to leave toys and clothes all over the place, all you gotta do is shut this door. That is a nice large closet right behind the ladder that does fold up out of the way, and there is a ledge here that holds it back for travel. So you've got that large closet there, essentially a nightstand right beside the upper bunks. Does have 3 bunks. Over here you've got more storage, and you can also mount a TV in here as well. You've got cable and satellite hookups, USB ports and outlets, and there's also one down here so the kids are not fighting over the USB ports. If you'd like to see this unit in person, come check it out at Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois.